Welcome back to my channel. You already know where you are. This is Blaze Studio. Okay, in this video we will be learning how to design this simple flyer, this simple looking good flyer. But please, before we start, I would love you to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you are new in this channel. Welcome back once again. Let's start real quick. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is to import the background I'll be using. Remember in my last video I removed the watermark in this background I'll be using. If you have not watched how to remove watermark, the video link will be in the description box. Okay, let's just go on and delete this default. Okay, delete this default. Now I'm going to import the image I will be using. The image link will be my description box too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to centralize the image. So lock the image up so that it not move. We add a text, write Sunday, make it capital, then increase the size of the font. So what we're gonna do now is to copy it. When we copy it, we write happy in capital, uppercase. Okay, what we're going to do is to reduce the size of the text. So we're going to choose a font. We'll be using this lemon milk font. Okay, this one now. Now we look for a good font that will match it. Maybe we'll be using lemon jelly. I don't know if you know the font. We use lemon jelly. Okay. Let's give it a stroke, then increase the stroke. Maybe this is okay, then it's okay. Give the stroke color. We're going to check the color that we're going to match it. I'll be using this orange color. The code is FCAE1E. That is gold. Okay, so we're going to give this emboss, take it to 307, and the hardness, bring it out to something. So you on the 3D, reduce the 3D, bring it to 5, and okay, I'll give this a color. Color will be good for this. If it's not good, let's check a white stroke. The blue stroke is good to it, so let's use white for the main color. Then we give this orange color. Okay, this is great. So we'll be importing the emoji. Let's import the emoji. Okay, just reduce the size, then take it to back, copy it again, then rotate it, move it to the other side, take it to back. So we are going good on this. So we're going to add a text. I'm going to add my brand, which is Blaze Studio, but I'm going to shorten it and write it BX, which stands for Blaze Studio. I'll be using this font. Using this font I like so much. I always use it for my brand text or something like that. Okay, I'll use that font. So you're going to reduce the size in case you want to add your brand name or your studio name, anything you call it. I call it brand name. So I'm going to import my logo from my gallery. Okay, this is my logo. Found it. So I'm going to reduce the size, and then I'm going to take it up and position it the way it's gonna stay. Okay, I guess this is good, but okay, this is perfect and good. So let's add one more design. Let's add it from sticker. This circle stretch something. I'm going to add it, move it to back, and reduce the opacity. Reduce it to 5. This is okay. So I'm going to give this Sunday test a shadow. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of the shadow and the blur radius. That is okay. Then let's set this in a way it's gonna stay. I guess this thing is too much. Let's just reduce it. This is okay for the Sunday. So they're happy. Just give it a little shadow. Just give it a little shadow. The blur radius this is okay. So what you're going to do is just to save the image. This is all done. Always remember to choose ultra. There is nothing big here. It's just a simple flyer design. So this is the end of this video. The flyer is looking good, stunning. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you are new in this channel. See you on my next video. Peace out.